Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 9 power x plus 15 power x equal to 25 power x. Now divide on both sides 9 power x. 9 power x by 9 power x plus 15 power x by 9 power x equal to 25 power x by 9 power x. This 9 power x cancels this. So here it is 1. So 1 plus 15 by 9 power x can be written as whole power x. So same way here, 25 by 9 whole power x. Now this can be simplified. This is 3, here it is 5. 1 plus 5 by 3 whole power x equal to 25 can be written as 5 square by 3 square whole power x. 1 plus 5 by 3 whole power x equal to, this can be written as 5 by 3 whole power 2 whole power x. A power m whole power n equal to a power n whole power m. This can be changed as per this form. 1 plus 5 by 3 whole power x equal to 5 by 3 whole power x whole power 2. Let us consider 5 by 3 whole power x equal to m. 1 plus m equal to m square. M square minus m minus 1 equal to 0. Now a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 1. So we know quadratic equation formula that m equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now b is here minus 1 plus or minus minus 1 square minus 4 into 1, c is minus 1 in the square root by 2 times of 1. Now this is minus into minus is 1 plus or minus, this is 1 plus 4 in the square root by 2. M equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 by 2. Here m1 equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, comma m2 equal to 1 minus square root of 5 by 2. Recall the m equal to 5 by 3 whole power x. 5 by 3 whole power x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, comma 5 by 3 whole power x equal to 1 minus square root of 5 by 2. If you see this is positive side, this is also positive side. Here it is positive, this is negative. So we are rejecting this. 5 by 3 whole power x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. 5 by 3 whole power x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. Take a log on both sides. Log 5 by 3 whole power x equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. As per the log power formula, this comes here. So x log 5 by 3 equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. Now divide on both sides by log 5 by 3. Log 5 by 3 by log 5 by 3. This log 5 by 3 cancels this log 5 by 3. So we have x equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 by log 5 by 3. As we know log formula that log a by log b equal to log a base b. X equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 5 by 3. This is the x value.